So I'm going to show you how to transfer files, including photos and videos, from your Redmi Note 15 Pro to an external USB device, or from an external USB device to a Redmi 15 Pro. All right. So first thing you want to do is connect the USB to your phone via the USB port, and it should get detected immediately, and it's gonna enable OTG. All right, you can see it's already detected. Now what you need to do is go to a good file manager. Now there's a built-in file manager which I don't like using. I prefer to use the Files by Google file manager, and this for me is better. The other one actually shows ads, in fact. So in the file manager, you can see all the files inside your phone. So for instance, let's say you want to transfer some photos from your phone. So you can go to the file manager, and then you want to go to images. You'll see the photos in there. So you can go and select the photos you want to transfer. So long press, select. And then once you select everything you want to copy, you can tap on the menu and select copy to, and then choose your external device. Choose the folder inside that external device. So for instance, I can send them in this folder and then tap on copy here. Those photos and videos are going to be copied, and you can do that with any file. Now it still works the other way around. You can start with the, if you go to the home page of your file manager, you can start with your external storage device. So you can see all storage. We have internal storage, and we have our T7 SSD. So you can go in here, look at any folder. So let's try and find some photos. Here we go. If you go and find any photo or video, let's try this one. We have a couple of images here. I can copy from this external USB device. Same drill, menu, copy to, select internal storage, and then select where you want to dump your copied photos and videos. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.